2019 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupe review. The exclusive Alpina B6 Gran Coupe pairs noteworthy design with rapid acceleration. If extra sedan having a coupe-like roofline isn't distinct enough to suit your needs, take into account the 2019 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupe. This special model accentuates the posh and comfort with the Ford or BMW 6 Series with notable upgrades including special design elements and, obviously, more power. Similar to that, this M division produces the highest performing versions of BMW vehicles. Alpina seeks to improve overall refinement through unique upgrades. The resulting B6 Gran Coupe possesses an unmistakable presence from its 20-inch wheels and a couple of model-specific color options. The interior presents similar character through details, for instance blue gauges, additional badges and special contrast stitching. Backing inside the design is rapid acceleration from the 600 horsepower V8 engine and all-wheel drive. With this setup, the B6 is definitely more powerful than its performance-oriented M6 stablemate, though its ride and handling are biased more strongly toward comfort. The Alpina Gran Coupe is analogous in shape and intent with other German sedans, for instance the Mercedes-AMG CLS 63S and also the Audi RS7. Yet the B6's rarity might make it a much more interesting choice. What's new? The Alpina B6 Gran Coupe enters 2019 largely unchanged. 1 year of Apple CarPlay support is standard since BMW renders it a regular membership service. The 2019 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupe is simply available in one configuration, which means that your only options: exterior color, upholstery and options. Each package has merit in the advanced and active security features in the driving assistance package towards the comfort offered by ventilated front seats and also a heated steering wheel from your executive package. You'll also appreciate the upgraded power in the standalone Bang & Olufsen audio system option. Trim levels and features. The 2019 BMW Alpina B6 Gran Coupe is provided in a single, well-equipped trim level using a handful of available packages and standalone options. It comes using a powerful turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 engine that develops 600 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It's paired for an Alpina tuned 8-speed automatic transmission that sends capacity to all four wheels. Standard equipment for the B6 includes 20-inch wheels with summer performance tires, Alpina-specific exterior styling details, an adaptive sport-tuned suspension, adaptive LED headlights with automatic high-beam control, LED fog lights, automatic wipers, front and back parking sensors, a rear-view camera, power folding and auto-dimming heated side mirrors, and keyless ignition and entry. Inside, you can find four-zone automatic climate control, 16-way power-adjustable front seats with 4-way lumbar support, heating and memory settings, leather upholstery, an electricity-adjustable tire, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, ambient lighting as well as a split-folding rear seat. On the technology side, features include Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity, a navigation system, voice controls, a touchscreen entertainment interface having a touchpad-equipped controller, wireless cell phone charging Qi standard, an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, smartphone app integration, a 16-speaker Harman card and surround sound system having a CD player, HD and satellite radio, and also a USB port plus an auxiliary audio jack. 1 year of subscription-based Apple CarPlay support is reserved. The Alpina B6 has 4 option packages. The executive package adds ventilated front seats with active bolsters, a heated controls, heated rear seats, an electric rear sunshade, manual rear shutters and ceramic trim controls. The driver assistance package has a suite of active safety aids that bundles blind spot monitoring, a head-up display, a forward collision warning system with low-speed collision mitigation and pedestrian detection, and lane departure warning. You can add on to this package while using Driver Assistance Plus package for adaptive cruise control that operates in stop-and-go traffic. The Parking Assistance package adds side and top view cameras. There are many choices of extra-cost leather upholstery and wood trim, plus a B6's simulated suede headliner may be matched to your upholstery color. Notable standalone options for your 2019 BMW Alpina B6 will include a blind spot monitoring system, a night vision camera with pedestrian detection, plus a premium Bang & Olufsen subwoofer. All-season tires certainly are a no-cost option that cuts down on the top speed. Driving. BMW says the Alpina B6 will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering yet effortless 3.6 seconds. That will improve almost any commute. Powerful brakes could keep all that speed in order, along with an active suspension delivers both competent handling and excellent ride quality. Comfort. Fort-zone climate control, a supple leather interior, and 16-way power front seats with heating and 4-way lumbar support are certain to help deliver comfort for all those on board, even on longer drives. BMW does a great job insulating against cabin noise while an adaptive suspension can soften on demand. Interior. The front seats are relatively low-sit for just a sporty feel using a good level of space. The back seats will accommodate adults but they are more confining than traditional sedans. A low roofline creates an alluring silhouette, nevertheless it eats into headroom and head clearance while using rear passenger doors. Utility. Without the seats folded, there's 13 cubic feet of cargo capacity from the B6's trunk to split between passenger luggage. Additionally, the spine lift over is around the high side, so hoisting heavy bags into it might be a pain. A minimalist cabin design means small atom storage is sparse. Technology. BMW's latest iDrive control interface is notable due to the large 10.2-inch display, sharp graphics and fast processing times. Apple CarPlay support is standard, nonetheless it's free for just 1 year.